Didactics of Social Science, Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia. Task 5, Video Presentation. Student, Airo Johannes y Hannah Guzmán. Tutor, Eleazar Salcedo Gallardo. In this opportunity, I'll be the speaker. So speaker name is Johannes Quijano Guzmán. This lesson plan is aimed for 5th grade students. And the topic I choose for this lesson is Periods in Colombia History, which comes with 3 different objectives. And they are, the first one, understanding territorial organizations. Students will explain the forms of territorial divisions in Colombia, distinguishing between regions and indigenous territories. The second objective, characterizing biodiverse districts. The students will characterize Colombian territories referred to as biodiverse districts, identifying key features and understanding their ecological significance. And the third objective, recognizing geographic regions. Students will differentiate the geographic regions within the Colombian territory, demonstrating the ability to recognize and interpret them through the analysis of thematic maps. Well, introduction. So according to the DPA, which is the Basic Learning Rights in Colombia, on the first volume from 2016 for Social Sciences, on page 25, on the first point says, understands the existing territorial organization in Colombia and the geographic particularities of the regions. By the end of the lesson, so students might explain the forms of territorial division in Colombia, region and indigenous territory, characterizes the Colombian territories called biodiverse districts, differentiates the geographic regions into which the Colombian territory is divided and recognizes them from the reading of thematic maps, and relates the existence of thermal floors within natural resources of each region and identifies their incidence in the diversity of crops and human activities. Usually as a teacher, I always gave to my students a motivational and captivating speech before any new lesson. So in this case, which would be, greetings 5th graders. Today marks the beginning of a fascinating journey through time as we set out to explore the rich and diverse tapestry of Colombian history. Imagine yourself as time-traveling historians, really ready to unravel the captivating histories woven into the fabric of our nation's past. Have you ever wondered about the different periods that have shaped Colombia into the country it is today? Well, today you won't just wonder, you will become history detectives. Brace yourselves for an exciting expedition as we delve into the secrets of various historical periods, each contributing uniquely to Colombian identity. Now, why does this matter, you may ask? Understanding the various periods in Colombian history is akin to holding a key to our national identity. The decisions made, the struggles faced, and the achievements earned during these periods have sculpted the Colombia we know today. By exploring our history, we gain insights that illuminate the paths to our present reality. So, according to it, we have lessons descriptions, which are the first stage, which is stage of presentation or presentation stage. You start with a visual engaging presentation showing cases, images, and facts about different periods of Colombia, such as the indigenous period, conquest period, colonial period, independence period, and republican period. Discussing key features of periods including government, social structures, economy, and cultural achievements. Use multimedia resources, maps, and timelines to help students visualize the historical context. During the practice stage, we have breaking students into small groups and provide each group with information about a specific period. Have each group create a poster or presentation highlighting the key aspect of their assigned period. Encourage students to collaborate, discuss, and share their findings with the class. And at the very last stage, which should be production stage, ask each group to present their findings to the class. This encourages public speaking skills and reinforces the learned content. Facilitate the class discussion on the similarities and differences between the civilizations studied. Have students reflect on how these periods in Colombian history have influenced modern society. As a conclusion, we have students will discover through different dynamics and strategies the importance of all periods in the constructions of the history of Colombia and will be prepared to identify how the past positively or negatively affects history in the present through solid arguments based on history. As a closing, I usually gave students a speech of appreciation and recognition, which will be the same in this moment. As we wrap out the exploration of Colombia history's diverse periods, I commend your curiosity and engagement. Each era we have touched upon contributes to the vibrant tapestry of our national identity. Carry the stories of resilience and unity forward as you navigate the present, for understanding our past is a key to shaping a meaningful future. I look forward to delving deeper into the specific periods in our upcoming lessons. Thank you for your active participations. Until our next historical journey. Class dismissed. Hasta la próxima clase. Thank you very much.